The future of a nation is written in its resources. After decades of unrest, Somalia stands at a critical juncture. How do we transform our oil and gas potential into true, lasting wealth for all? Introducing Fueling Prosperity. This is the essential guide, a mini-MBA for anyone looking to understand and safeguard the nation's resource future. This is how you build an equitable future, written by a team of leading experts in the extractive sector, including industry veteran engineer Faisal Hawar and his sons, professional twins Mohammed and Mohammed Faisal Hawar, whose expertise has helped shape legislative frameworks across the region. Fueling Prosperity Oil and Gas Fiscal Guidebook is endorsed by former prime ministers, ministers, and leading scholars. It's celebrated as the roadmap to transparency, accountability, growth, and compacting corruption. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from those who lead the nation. They recognize this book as the indispensable tool for securing Somalia's prosperity and Africa's resource wealth. This is more than a book. It's a national mandate. It is a clarion call. The time for action is now. The theme is clear: educate. This book is the foundation for an informed workforce and a secure treasury. To the university student, the graduate, the youth, if you want a rewarding career in oil and gas, pick up your copy, get prepared. And to every university and educational institution, consider Fueling Prosperity as your new curriculum. Locally produce the informed future Somalia needs. If you are an MP, a senator, or a government minister, you are the custodians of our wealth. Get your copy now. Safeguard the national interest and ensure every dollar of revenue goes toward an equitable future. While our focus is Somalia, the principles of fairer fiscal systems and transparency are universal. This is a guide for the whole continent. Fueling prosperity, secure the nation's wealth, secure your future. Get your copy today.